Hello, Sir Christopher Young. For this video, we will present our system title. System title is Smart Padlock Using Android Phone. The project manager, Leymar Clibonao. Quality assurance leader is Janica Salsa G. Colobong and Angel B. Tangholian. Front-end developer, Clydel Maydizon and Charian Lopez Mariano. The back-end developer is Darren Pabon Estuista. So the feature of Smart Lock with Android phone. The purpose of this system title is to study and evaluate a suitable set to development a smart door lock which intended to offer high security, easy access, and control. In order to increase the security level of critical area and data, a system which is called a smart lock system. The system is introduced a technology for a smart door on concept of Internet of Things. The system was designed to remotely open the door using mobile device and to give access to only authorized personnel. It consists of two parts, the client and server. The client side is connected via Bluetooth module to embedded system. When the ballot is received, it passes the data to the server-side application, which is located to security personnel PC. In order to store the data about the people, there was a design of database where all this data is stored. This described can be easily modified through the application. All the history of personnel activity is written to log file. The server side of the application will only receive the data from the client. It also contains the option of the personnel. Some features hardware. So, ito yung mga nakikita naming kailangan naming magamit sa aming title. 80 dBm sensitivity. Ito yung signal strength for the Bluetooth module. 80 because yun yung pinaka-standard ng ginagamit ng karamihan. Up to 4 dBm RF transmit power. Ito yung power ng system. At least plus 4 dBm para masupplyan niya yung kailangan ng power ng system. Low power consumption up to 5V and 50 mA consumption. Ito yung nag-estimate ng system measure. PIO control. PIO control, ito yung nagmo-move ng data between device to Android phone or computer. All data must pass through the processor. UART, internet face with setting possibility. UART or universal UART or universal asynchronous receiver or transmitter. This is for exchange data with modems and other serial device. Integrated antenna. for wireless communication network, for detecting element and active ERCAT and integrate substrate. Edge connector. Ito yung board para dun sa mga ilalagay. Then, ito yung software features. Default baud rate. Ito yung nagtra-transmit sa mga communication channel. Supported baud rates are gagamit siguro kami ng mga 500 kbps sa na-search ko kasi sir ito yung pinaka-standard na ginagamit for system. Then sa auto connect to the last device on power. Pairing device default connection possibility. Then auto reconnect in 30 minutes if disconnected are result and beyond of connection range. 80 command mode of operation with setting setup possibility. Ito yung mag-a-allow to interrogate the Bluetooth module and to change some setting like the name or yung dun sa baud rate. The mobile application flowchart. So, start to where the credential provide. If yes, this allow communicator with the Bluetooth module. If it says no, it will wait for user input or application close, then end. For system diagram, as I said earlier, we have two parts, the client and the server. So we have first mobile device, Bluetooth 1, which is this is the client. 2, embedded system. Mobile device 2, Bluetooth 2 or the server. The host PC 2, security PC.